Good afternoon, metals investors. This is Metal Market Minute with a quick update. Markets are on edge as the U.S. military buildup near Iran hits fever pitch. Will President Trump greenlight strikes in the next 24 to 48 hours? Here's news that you need to know for gold, silver, and your portfolio. Over the last 24-48 hours, the U.S. moved dozens of fighter jets toward the Middle East. The USS Gerald R. Ford carrier group steaming in behind the USS Abraham Lincoln, already on station in the Arabian Sea. Pentagon assets now include 2 carriers, destroyers, Patriot THAAD defenses, and 8 air bases, enough for hundreds of daily sorties in a sustained air campaign. Israel raised alert levels, prepping for coordinated action. Sources say a regime-threatening U.S.-Israeli operation could launch within days. Despite the tension, safe haven bids eased on Geneva talks' progress, leaving metals off highs. Gold at $4,957 and silver at $76.77. Investors are also watching crude oil, WTI oil at $62.50 per barrel. That price may increase rapidly if war is launched. So what would a war with Iran do with the markets? Stocks could tank and metals explode higher. Stocks in the DJIA might see a drop of 3 to 7% on day number 1. In 3 to 7 days after the first strike, stocks could see a drop of 5 to 15%. Gold and silver would be seen as safe havens, with gold seeing a 3 to 6% rise on day 1 and 8 to 15% after 3 to 7 days of war. Silver could see a bump up of 5 to 8% on day 1 of the war, and as much as 12 to 20% in days 3 to 7. However, these are only estimates. No one, including President Trump or anyone else, can clearly see how even a short war with Iran might affect U.S. and world markets. Let's pray that we don't need to find out. Polymarket, the crypto betting platform, now prices 70% odds of U.S. strikes by year end. This window is closing fast. Position for volatility, gold and silver as your hedge against the powder keg. As always, this is not investment advice, just news and educational information. Always talk with your personal financial advisor before making any investment decisions.